It's the Motherload. Well, we're going to find out. Maybe a load of something else. This is the 50-cent machine. We're going to max bet it. That's going to be $5. We're going to see if it's a Motherload or not. Trying to get up where you can get the bingo card. Very hard to get it. We're not going to stay on it very long if it doesn't do anything. No hits so far of any kind. There's the bingo card. It's way up there in the corner. I just don't think I can get it in there for you guys. I just can't. I'm having to stretch my arm out too far. I'm sorry. No bingo card on this one. I'll call it off if we hit something. Which looking like a pretty big if at the moment. We've still not had a single hit. Well, I know what they're hauling right now on their Motherload. It's a load of crap. Man, come on. I can't believe I've not had at least one hit. I'm having good looking bingo cards even, and I'm still not getting anything. I mean, that's not a bad bingo card. It's pretty full. Well, I am finally 3 hours later. Well, that was a $40 hit on that one. So altogether, 50 bucks. Alright, well, let's see if it's going to start doing something now. Eureka. Got another red. Come on. Stay in there for a minute. Boy, that's pretty sad. $15. Do it. Alright, come on. Come on, baby. Boy, it's just not hanging in. 20 bucks. Give it just a second. Slow down just a little bit. $10 there. Money back. Nothing. $20 for mixed bars. Or mixed sevens and not mixed bars. You know what I'm saying. $15. Hanging in there. Do it. Oh my God, come on. It's gonna be our last spin on it. Nope, nope, nope. Still alive. Staying alive. Please be a good one. No, that's not too bad. That's gonna be $50. Well, $45. I thought it was 50. Guess we'll go ahead and give it a couple more. Money back. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, here we go. Multiples at least. Come on. That one was $70. We're back up at 500. We're going to do one right there. And we're going to stop. We're back up to $500. And I am going to stop it right there. So everyone, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I would keep playing, but it's just not being very friendly to me. And get back up to 500, I'm going to consider myself lucky. So please keep supporting. Give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.